capisce, matto?
All right, you ready? Let's roll.
Oh, no, man. Pick a different one.
All right, let's make this a thing. We're gonna be all right.
Wait, what was that?
Punched in the parking lot for you. Driver leaves it there every day to get his coffee.
Beautiful.
All right, man. Let me just say right up the top, I apologize for anything and everything you're about to see.
You kidding? I'm getting an inside look at your alter ego, Horatio Carlin, corporate code jockey.
Why do I get the feeling this whole thing was a bad idea?
It's cool. I'll go easy on you. Okay, now where's the GPS? Hey, sit down. I got, man, come on. All right, just, all right. GPS, I know where the GPS is. Up.
I ain't got nothing in my pocket. And I've got holes in my shoes. I ain't got no one in my heart, so boy now I ain't got nothing to lose. And I keep your number here for safety keeping, knowing it's something I don't plan to use. You walked right out of my heart, so
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Hey,
morning.
how you doing?
Good, Gary.
Hey there.
Hey.
Horatio! What are you doing first on the bus?
What can I say? I'm an eager beaver.
Anyway, the juicing has really turned my life around. I feel lighter, my mind freer.
I hate to break it to you, but juicing doesn't do squat.
You haven't tried my juice.
I'm serious. What you want is the pulp. That's the healthy part. Juicing extracts all that. All you're drinking is sugar, smoothies. Now that's where it's at. Load them up with fruit, veg, superfoods.
Superfoods.
Yeah, like goji berries, maca powder, all that good stuff. You have a lot to learn.
You know the science behind superfoods is shaky at best.
Well, they're health foods. You can't argue that.
Yeah, but goji berries are as much a superfood as grapes are. It's a marketing buzzword designed to rope in consumers. No offense.
Awkward.
You know, Marcus, there are times when I wish I was out doing what you're doing. And then there's today.
Thanks, friend. I'm freaking choking on the pretentiousness in here.
And here I thought Bloom employees were bad.
Everything's alright. Wonder if she's found someone new. Well, I've still got nothing to lose. I don't know where I'm going, and I don't know what I'll do. The only thing I know is I won't be thinking
Hey there.
And I've got sand in my shoes. And you walk right
You stayed late last night?
Yeah, and the catering made me want to puke. I'd rather starve next time. This new sushi place is so not up to par. The soy sauce was so bland.
My spicy tuna roll was anything but.
Oh man, that is literally the worst.
Literally?
I could think of some worse things.
We went riding out in the streets, took our new bikes to the park. We went too far that day. Oh, oh.
Yo, Horatio, man, I'm scared, bro.
Well, what is it?
Don't nobody look like us.
Oh, man, welcome to Silicon Valley. Hey, what do you call a black man surrounded by thousands of white people?
What?
Mr. President,
Hey, man, they see two of us together, they gonna think we plotting.
we are plotting.
Man, I feel so exposed.
Hey,
Yeah,
Rachel.
welcome to my world. There's only 3 other black people that work here. 2 guys, 1 woman. We have our own mailing list.
That's rough. But hey, you're fighting a good fight, changing the face of corporate life in the valley.
You haven't experienced corporate life until you're the only brother in a meeting and have to represent all of blackdom.
Jesus.
If I had a nickel for every time someone complimented me for being well-spoken.
So where's the server farm?
Not here, I'm afraid. The whole thing's located under the Noodle Maps building. You'll need a whole other level of clearance to get in there. The managers upstairs can take care of that for you. Just do a repeat performance of the bus
Ratio.
hack on one of them, and you're good to go. Let's hit the kitchen. Need fuel before another day of drudgery.
Hey, do you want a coffee?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, please, help yourself to a pomegranate apple. They're to die for.
You're so great. Thank you so much.
Okay, neato.
Carlin,
Brody.
big day today, huh? I'm excited. How about you? You know, you could just tell us what you've been up to, where you've been looking, who.
All right, Horatio, what's the plan for getting to the Noodle server farm?
Best option is the elevator maintenance area on the 2nd floor of Noodle Maps, but watch yourself. Security's tight. Even I don't have access.
No sweat.
Never seen anything like this.
I could take that value and input it.
That's the shit.
What did it for me was when I realized I had written 4 songs in 2 days, but they were the same song, just over and over again. So hey, I'm back.
All right, I am now Miss Lord Kim. How do I get into Noodle Maps?
If you've got her ID, you should be able to just walk right in.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Whoa! I guess I should go see HR and find out where my desk is. Just a moment of your time.
Whoa! I'll bring him down!
Sorry. Listen, Okay, yeah.
Correct. Noodle Map security don't fool around, so watch yourself.
Hey, this is Lord Kim you're talking to.
Yeah, he's gone. We're shutting down here.
Seriously, bro, take your time. No pressure.
Keep it together, Ratio. I'm almost at the elevator shaft.
I am conducting routine duties. All clear. Nothing to report. My systems are operating optimally.
Woohoo! Super! That is really something.
Hey, bro, I've gotten to the elevator. Horatio?
He's gone dark. Hold on, we're trying to find him.
Satara, it's a dead end. I need Horatio's code to get into the server farm. Any luck finding him?
Got his GPS, but he's not responding. I'll patch you in now.
The keystrokes on your computer is evidence enough to put you away. I want to hear you say it. You have no idea how happy it'll make me to hear you say you fucked up. Look, man, I don't want to be the bad guy here. Here's your reality just between us. You will go to jail for cyber terrorism. That can't be avoided. But if you cooperate with us, maybe you'll get a reduced sentence. So why don't you just start talking to us and save us all some grief? What do you say, my man? Fine. You do you, snitch. I can wait all day. Ugh. God, that's annoying. Just... Don't touch it. All right, just leave it.
All right.
It'll turn off on its own.
All right.
Maybe.
You don't know a damn thing about me, man.
What? Did you want to confess?
Confess? What?
Let's talk when you're ready to confess. What? How did... Who listens to this crap anyways?
Yasmin, where are you?
Sit, this place is a freaking circus. Sightseeing morons better do something.
You wired everything in the building to the same network down to the frickin' toys. You think you can stop it all from going haywire? Yeah. Okay, and here's a hot tip. Don't apologize. Just get it right in the first place. Yeah. You think? I know. Uh-huh. Really? Yeah. You think? I know. Uh-huh. Oh, Jasmine, hi.
I know, Horatio Carlin. These are very serious accusations that you've been making. I have put those into your room.
Well, the evidence speaks for itself.
Mr. Carlin, I'm going to ask you to follow me.
You're the man, Horatio. Hang in there. Nope. Shit, wrong one. Mm-mm. This is it. They got things wired up pretty tight here. That's it. Noodle's data is now DeadSec's data. I'm out of here, but Horatio's still in the spot. Can one of y'all help a brother out?
We have access to every workstation in Noodle, including Horatio's. And this Brody guy. I'm almost done sorting it out.
Well, let's see.
All right, done. Let's see how Horatio's doing.
I'm sorry you chose not to cooperate with us. I would highly suggest you seek legal counsel.
Horatio, that was intense. You good?
I'm better than good. Where you at?
Meet me out front at the Noodle bus. Hey, I'm in a massive cooling room. Any ideas on how I can get out of here?
Yeah, I got you covered. There's a drainage conduit at the back that should take you into an exterior access.
Nice, thanks. You swapped out Horatio's keystrokes with Goodale's?
Nobody gives our Horatio a hard time and gets away with it.
That's real crafty, Satara.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Pardon? Uh-huh, yeah. But my...
Yo, how's the transfer going?
It's gold, Marcus. Gold.
Bloom's definitely tapped into Noodle's pipeline. They've even given Noodle limited access to their content.
I'm all for singing Kumbaya, but this shit's got Dushan written all over it.
For Bloom and Noodle to be cooperating like this, it's a major find. But it scares the fuck out of me.
Oh, come on, guys. Noodle ain't that bad.
What's up, Horatio?
Hey, enjoy the dump, but save a beer for me, all right, Wrench? Right now, I've got some code to... Code. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate everything you did for me.
For sure.
But right now, can you get the hell out of here? You're making people nervous. Oh, hey, did you try Palmer Grapple? It was good, right?
You look like someone with a lot of valuable information.